Hello viewers, I have created this channel for you so that you learn as much of the Holy Quran as possible, gain rewards, obtain rewards from Allah. Allah will be pleased, and the beloved Prophet of Allah will also be pleased, upon whom this Holy Quran was revealed by Allah. So, all the people of the United States, support this channel as much as possible. This is my first video, and all the Muslim community in Canada should subscribe to this channel. And the people of Saudi Arabia and China and the people of India and Pakistan, please support this channel. In this channel there will be recitation of this beloved book of Allah, and this beloved book of Allah will also be taught, so make sure to subscribe. See, we subscribe to vlog videos, we subscribe to vlog channels, we subscribe to movie channels, we subscribe to drama channels. We subscribe to all worldly channels, so why don't we subscribe to this Quran Majid? So friends, please make sure to subscribe to it. Thank you very much. May Allah keep you in His protection. Ameen.